50, right? So that's pretty cool. Yes, yo, 777. So look at that, guys, right? This shows you, let's click on this. It says, I was trading USD CHF. This was the opening time, 42 minutes, 42 and 39 seconds. So in less than 2 minutes, all right, price, I went in for a sell. You see that red down arrow? So it means price just has to be below my opening price. It was only 0.00003, see, 9598, below my entry, difference 3 points. It doesn't matter, as long as it's below, then you have a successful trade. Look at that. Very, very cool. Very cool. All right, did anyone try? Declared. Go ahead, Queen. Go ahead. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Anybody try that trade? USD CHF? Did you try it? Did you clear? How much money did you make? Anyone else? Let's see. You got in late. All right, Simon. So you got in. Timing is, you're learning because you probably got in when it was down here and then price started bouncing back up. Is that what happened? Something like that, right? Yep, timing is everything. So sometimes you see, I'll be like, mid-sentence, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna enter a trade. Bye guys, I can't talk, all right? Timing is everything. Made 15, go ahead, Queen, 1,500. But guess what, Simon? We call it a lesson. Now you learned that you got in late, right? So you could next time just choose not to enter. Like, look at this, Euro CAD going in for a sell. Let's go into that. It's going in for a sell. EURCAD. Oh. When I make mistakes in typing, I kind of also will just go back and check.
Say that one as well.
EURCAD. All right, so pull back, which probably means it's still a good time to get in for that sell. Give it one more. Yeah, we're gonna go in for a sell. EURCAD. I did it again. I clicked it twice. Ugh. All right. Oh, I clicked it 3 times because I was on the other screen. Anyway, I entered 3 trades because I was at 11,000. Trigger finger. Right? 26 seconds left. Price is coming down. Look at that. Can you see it? Price is coming down. And that's what we read from here. Look at this. Price is coming down. Oop, it went back up a little bit, but it's coming down. Let's see. It's still below my entry. And it's coming all the way down. Come on. Boom. Wait for my account balance. Okay, guys. So in the past 5 minutes, I started with 10,000. Now I'm at $12,680. All right. 777. Yes, Simon. 777. Completion. We did it. We made some money. Like, you can be done, right? We've been on this call 45 minutes. I talked like the first 27 minutes. I checked the time. In the past 20 minutes, we talked about the charts. And then in the past maybe 15 minutes, we looked at the charts and made $2,680, right? I remember when that was a lot of money. We were not making this much money when we were working at the library in college. You know that.
No, we weren't.
We were not making that
Wow.
money. Yeah,
Nope,
we go
nope.
way back. We go way back. So that's it. That's it, family. Anyone